Is there any permission letter? Ada surat izinnya?
No.
Oke, Gilang. Then who else?
Habib.
Who else? Habib. What happened to Habib?
Sick.
He is sick. He is sick.
Yes.
He is sick. Okay. Habib is sick. And then who else? Siapa lagi?
Alif.
Okay, what happened to Alif?
Abah.
There is no permission letter?
No.
Okay, thank you. Okay, enough? Okay, thank you for you who are attending this day. Okay, terima kasih yang sudah hadir hari ini ya. Oke, untuk meningkatkan rasa nasionalisme kita, sebelum kita memulai pembelajaran kita, marilah kita menyanyikan lagu Indonesia Raya. Oke, everyone, please stay there. One more.
No.
No. Okay, do you understand well about giving suggestion?
Yes.
Sudah paham tentang giving suggestion?
Yes.
Oke, karena sudah paham ya. Sekarang giliran saya. It's my turn. Ini adalah giliran saya. I will give you a questions. Nah, saya akan memberi kalian pertanyaan. It's my turn karena kalian tidak ada pertanyaan. Jadi sekarang giliran saya yang bertanya ke kalian. Oke, have you ever told your problem to your friends? Apakah kalian pernah menceritakan masalah kalian kepada teman-teman kalian? Have you ever told your problem to your friends?
Yes.
Nah, curhat, istilah kita adalah curhat. Apakah kalian pernah curhat ke teman kalian tentang masalah kalian? Pernah? Have you ever? Pernah ya? Nah, so jadi cerita yang kalian sampaikan ke teman-teman kalian. What do you want to get? What do you want to get from your friends? Apa yang kalian harapkan? Apa yang kalian ingin dapatkan dari teman kalian tersebut? Kok sampai menceritakan permasalahan kalian terus kepada teman-teman kalian? Itu apa sih yang kira-kira? Ya, Afif answer. Okay, good, Afif answer. Solution. Nah, we want to get solution from our friend. Jadi kan kalau kita sudah menceritakan masalah kita, berarti yang kita harapkan adalah sebuah solusi. Solusi berarti teman kita memberikan apa kepada kita? Saran. Apa? Solusi berarti kan kalian menceritakan masalah kalian, terus teman kalian itu memberikan solusi berupa pendapat. Nah, jadi pendapat tentang masalah kalian itu apa? For example, you are confused whether you will continue to the next university or you will find a job. Kalian itu bingung. Apakah nanti kalian melanjutkan ke jenjang pendidikan yang lebih tinggi ke universitas ataukah kalian akan mencari pekerjaan? Nah, you are confused. So you tell to your friend. Jadi kalian menceritakan kepada teman kalian. So what will you get? Jadi apa yang akan kalian dapatkan? Jadi berupa solusi dari teman kalian. Jadi teman kalian akan, your friend will give you an opinion. Nah, jadi teman kalian akan memberikan sebuah opini untuk menyelesaikan permasalahan kalian. Or we can say a solution. Nah, tadi yang disebutkan oleh Afif, solusi. Nah, jadi untuk solusi berarti berupa pendapat. Nah, this is our next topic. Nah, inilah adalah pendapat. Opini tadi, opini adalah sebuah pendapat. Jadi nanti tujuan kalian setelah mempelajari dalam mempelajari pembelajaran ini adalah kalian bisa menentukan social function atau fungsi sosial dari asking for and giving opinion. Okay, next. The second objective of learning is melalui menyimak video, siswa dapat mengidentifikasi struktur teks terkait teks tulisan tentang menyatakan pendapat. And then the next is melalui menyimak video, siswa dapat mengidentifikasi unsur kebahasaan. Nah, kalian nanti juga harus bisa mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial, kemudian struktur teks, atau we can say as generic structure, and also we have to analyze what is the language feature atau unsur kebahasaan yang digunakan dalam materi asking for and giving opinion. And then the next is melalui menyimak video, siswa dapat menemukan gagasan utama. Nah, jadi nanti saya menampilkan sebuah video. Di video tersebut berupa dialog. Dari dialog tersebut kalian harus bisa menemukan gagasan utama, or we can say as the topic. Nah, jadi apa sih yang dibicarakan dalam video tersebut? Nah, itu kalian harus bisa menganalisisnya. Kemudian melalui menyimak video, siswa dapat menemukan informasi tersurat dan juga informasi tersirat. Nah, jadi kalian nanti harus bisa menentukan informasi apa yang kalian dapatkan di dalam video, dan baik tersurat maupun tersirat. Tersurat itu berarti disebutkan dalam video, kalau tersirat berarti kalian menganalisisnya sendiri. Oke, next. And the next, melalui menyimak video, siswa dapat menjelaskan makna kata dalam teks tulisan terkait menyatakan pendapat dan pikiran. Nah, makna kata. Jadi nanti ada kata yang diminta untuk mencari similar meaning. Ya, we have to find the similar meaning of the word. Okay, next. And then the last is melalui menyimak video, siswa dapat menjelaskan rujukan kata atau reference-nya. Okay, next. Nah, jadi apa sih manfaat? Nah, manfaat mempelajari materi ini apa sih, Bu? Nah, ada yang bertanya-tanya seperti itu? What is the benefit? What is the benefit? What are the benefits by learning this topic? Jadi apa sih manfaat mempelajari materi ini? Nah, jadi manfaat yang pertama, peserta didik dapat mengetahui ungkapan-ungkapan untuk meminta dan memberikan pendapat. Jadi setelah after we learn about the topic, you will be able to know how to give or how to ask opinion. Nah, atau ungkapan-ungkapan, the expression to ask and give opinion. Nah, jadi nanti kalian tahu ungkapan-ungkapan yang digunakan untuk meminta dan memberikan pendapat. Dan the next is peserta didik atau kalian dapat menentukan respon yang tepat terkait memberi dan meminta pendapat. Nah, jadi nanti kalian kalau ada yang memberikan pendapat berarti kalian harus bisa meresponnya. Nah, meresponnya bagaimana? Nanti kita bahas lebih lanjut. Oke. Yang terakhir, kalian dapat mengetahui isi dialog terkait meminta dan memberikan pendapat. Dari isinya tadi, gagasan utama, or we can say the topic. Kemudian explicit and implicit information, informasi tersurat dan tersirat. Nah, inilah yang dimaksud dengan isi. Nah, jadi itu videonya tentang apa sih, dialognya itu tentang apa sih, informasi apa saja yang disebutkan dalam video itu. Nah, jadi nanti manfaat yang akan kalian dapatkan setelah mempelajari pembelajaran dengan topik asking for and giving opinion. Okay, do you understand? Is there any question? Ada pertanyaan tentang tujuan dan manfaat pembelajaran kita hari ini?
No.
Okay, no. If there is no question, let's go to the next topic. Nah, sebelum kita
Dad, could you please turn off the television?
What happened?
I am sleepy. I want to sleep.
Wait for a minute. The news will be done soon.
All right, Dad. What news that they are discussing?
It is about coronavirus. What is your view on the increased coronavirus cases in our country?
I strongly believe that doctors, nurses, and people did their best to prevent increased cases in our country. But in this new normal, sometimes people still do not follow the health protocol of coronavirus.
I totally agree with you. Sometimes people ignore the health protocol when they do their activities outside.
Hopefully, this pandemic will be done soon.
I hope so.
Dad, could you please turn off the television?
What happened?
Okay. Have you understood about the video? Yes. Sudah paham dengan videonya?
Yes.
Okay. I want to ask you, what are they talking about? Apa yang dibicarakan dalam video ini? What are they talking about? Sleep, COVID-19, coronavirus. Is there any opinion? Is there any other opinion? Okay, Zina, what is your opinion? What are they talking about? Television. And then what else? Is there any other opinion? Television, sleep, and then coronavirus, COVID-19. Okay, what else? Pandemic. Okay. Sleeping, watching movie atau watching television. Agus, what are they talking about, Agus? Coronavirus. And then, Gigi. Sleeping. And then, Zina, what are they talking about, Zina? Based on the video, what are they talking about? Television, watching television. Okay, so what are they talking about? Apa sih yang dibicarakan dalam video ini? Kira-kira apa? Tadi tentang apa? Yes, coronavirus. Okay, they are talking about coronavirus. Mereka itu membicarakan sebuah masalah, yaitu tentang
Virus
coronavirus. Okay, next. So after watch the video, what do you want to know now? Jadi setelah menonton video ini, apa yang kalian perlu ketahui? Yang ingin kalian ketahui? Okay, you can write what do you want to know now on this table or activity 1. Nah, kalian boleh menuliskan apa yang ingin kalian ketahui di tabel berikut ini. Okay, I give you 2 minutes to write what do you want to know now after watch the video. Ya, apa yang ingin kalian ketahui setelah menonton video ini? Tadi kan sudah mengetahui, they are talking about coronavirus. So after watch the video and after watch that they are talking about coronavirus, now what do you want to know? Jadi apa yang ingin kalian ketahui sekarang setelah melihat video ini dan mengetahui kalau mereka itu membicarakan coronavirus? Okay, you can write what do you want to know on this table. Bisa ditulis. Hello Gigi. Okay, please write what do you want to know on this table. Bisa ditulis apa yang ingin kalian ketahui di tabel berikut ini. I give you 2 minutes. Okay, saya beri waktu 2 menit. What do you want to know? Okay, what do you want to know now? Related with our material, exactly related with our material, yang berhubungan dengan materi kita. What is our material? Asking for and giving opinion. Nah, dengan materi itu dan melihat video tadi, sekarang apa yang ingin kalian ketahui? What is the opinion? Okay, the first question from Agus. What is the opinion? Okay, what else? Okay, yeah. What is opinion and then what else? Yo, teacher. We ask. How to ask an opinion. Jadi sudah ada dua pertanyaan ya. What is opinion and then how to give atau how to ask? Oh, how to ask an opinion. Okay, what else?
How to give opinion.
How to give opinion. Okay, jadi sudah ada tiga pertanyaan. Direct equation. The first one is what is opinion? How to ask opinion and then how to give opinion. Okay. What is opinion? And then how to ask
Opinion.
opinion. And then how to give
Opinion.
opinion. And then is there any other question? Ada pertanyaan lagi?
No.
No? Oke, Agus mau bertanya apa lagi, Agus? Apa? Ada pertanyaan lagi? No? Jadi yang lain gak ada pertanyaan? Oke, jadi ada pertanyaan. Pertanyaannya berarti kalian sama. What is opinion? How to ask opinion and how to give opinion. Ya, benar ini yang jadi pertanyaan kalian ini?
Yes.
Oke, karena berhubungan dengan materi, jadi kalian merasa perlu ya apa sih itu
Yes.
opinion? Kemudian bagaimana sih untuk meminta dan memberi opini? Oke. For the first, I will try to answer your first question. Nah, saya akan menjawab pertanyaan pertama yang what is opinion? Jadi apa sih itu opinion? Oke. As I told you before, jadi berdasarkan penyampaian saya tadi yang pertama di awal, I ask you, have you ever tell your problem to your friend and you have to answer yes I have. Yes I have. Berarti kalian pernah. And then I ask you again. Tadi kan saya bertanya lagi. So what do you want to get from your friends? You answer that you want to get solution or you want to get an opinion to your from your friend, ya kan? Tadi kan kalian menjawab, ya saya pernah menceritakan masalah saya kepada teman saya. Nah, teman saya. Kemudian apa yang ingin kalian dapatkan? Jadi kalian ingin mendapatkan
Solusi.
oke, sebuah solusi atau sebuah opini dari pendapat opini dari teman kalian untuk dijadikan sebuah solusi. Nah, solution or the idea from your friend is the opinion. Nah, jadi sebuah solusi atau ide dari teman kalian itulah yang dinamakan sebuah opini. So what is the opinion? Jadi apa itu opinion? So what do you know about opinion? So what do you think about opinion? before you observe how to ask and how to give an opinion, you have to find the difficult words. Ya, kalian harus menemukan kata sulit based on you. Kata sulit menurut kalian. Jadi nanti saya akan menampilkan video lagi. Kalian menuliskan. Ya, kalian menuliskan kata sulit on activity 2. Oke, let's go to activity 2. Kita masuk ke aktivitas kedua. Oke, before you observe how to ask and how to give an opinion, okay, please write or please find the difficult word based on the video. Ya, kata sulit yang terdapat di video yang menurut kalian itu sulit. Ya, oke. For activity 2, I will play the video twice. Ya, saya akan menampilkan video 2 kali. The first video, you have to find the difficult word, and then the second video nanti yang kedua, pemutaran yang kedua, kalian harus menemukan how to ask and how to give an opinion. Do you understand? Jadi apa tugas kalian ini yang pertama?
Mencari kata sulit.
Mencari kata sulit. Oke, mencari kata sulit dulu ya. Oke, good. Oke, please listen and watch the video carefully. Are you ready?
Ready.
I am sleepy. I want to sleep.
Wait for a minute. The news will be done soon.
All right, Dad. What move that they are discussing?
It is about coronavirus. What is your view on the increased coronavirus cases in our country?
I strongly believe that doctors, nurses, and people did their best to prevent increased cases in our country. But in this new normal, sometimes people still do not follow the health protocol of coronavirus.
I totally agree with you. Sometimes people ignore the health protocol when they do their activities outside.
Hopefully, this pandemic will be done soon.
I hope so.
Okay. Did you find the difficult word? Sudah menemukan kata sulitnya?
Sudah.
Okay, sudah. Okay, what first the difficult word you have got? Apa kata sulit yang pertama yang kalian dapatkan?
Sleepy.
Sleepy. Okay. What else? What else? Prevent. Okay. Ignore. want to keep for the dangerous, when you want to keep your body atau yourself from the dangerous. Apa? Dari apa? So what does it mean in bahasa?
Menjaga.
Okay. What is the meaning of prevent in bahasa? Menjaga. Menjaga. Okay, good Zina. Give applause for Zina. Prevent is we keep ourselves for the dangerous, from the dangerous. Kita menjaga diri kita dari bahaya. So the meaning of prevent in bahasa is menjaga. Okay, good Zina. Okay, next. Jadi tadi apa artinya sleepy? Ngantuk. And then the second word is menjaga. Okay, next. Number 3, ignore. Ignore means pay attention to the rule. Don't pay attention to the rule. Tidak memperhatikan aturan. Ignore. For example, ignore. Kasih kalimatnya yang di video apa? Ignore the health, ya. The video we find the sentence ignore the health. Kita menemukan kalimat ignore the health tadi di video, masih ingat? Yeah, ignore the health. So ignore the health. The meaning of ignore the health is don't pay attention to our health. So what does it mean? Ignore in bahasa.
Mengabaikan.
Okay, good Dimas. Give applause for Dimas. Okay, sekali lagi. Apa artinya sleepy? What does it mean? Sleepy bahasa ngantuk. And then the second word is menjaga. And then the third word is mengabaikan. And then the fourth word is no. Do you know the meaning of increase? No. Just no. Okay. Increase means become more, menjadi lebih. Increase. Tadi kalimatnya yang di video apa yang dia masih ingat? The increase of coronavirus. So the increase of coronavirus mean the cases of coronavirus become more dangerous. So what does it mean of increase? Apa artinya increase tadi? Become more atau become more. Jadi apa artinya increase? The increase of coronavirus. Ayo jadi, the increase of coronavirus means the coronavirus become more dangerous. Besar? Oke, meningkat. Give applause lagi untuk Zina. Oke, Zina. Increase means meningkat in bahasa. Jadi increase dalam bahasa artinya meningkat. Oke, next. The last word, cases. Anybody knows the meaning of cases? Cases in bahasa, artinya tahu artinya cases dalam bahasa Indonesia? No. Cases means the particular situation or the particular event. That happening nowadays. That need the attention from the people. So what does it mean of cases? Kasus? Any other opinion? Okay, what does it mean of cases in bahasa? Cases means the particular event or the particular situation that happening nowadays that need the
please turn off the television?
What happened?
I am sleepy. I want to sleep.
Wait for a minute. The news will be done soon.
All right, Dad. What move that they are discussing?
It is about coronavirus. What is your view on the increased coronavirus cases in our country?
I strongly believe that doctors, nurses, and people do their best to prevent increased cases in our country. But in this new normal, sometimes people still do not follow the health protocol of coronavirus.
I totally agree with you. Sometimes people ignore the health protocol when they do their activities outside.
Hopefully, this pandemic will be done soon.
I hope so.
Okay, can you guess what the expression that have you found from the video to ask and give opinion? Apakah kalian sudah menemukan ekspresi untuk meminta dan memberikan bantuan dari video tadi? Sudah bisa menemukan? Belum? Okay, one more. I will play one more time. Yeah, I will play one more. And please pay attention. And guess. Okay, hello, Zita, Dimas, please pay attention. Okay, you guys, you have to guess and then write the expression how to ask and how to give an opinion, and then write on your worksheet. Ya, langsung ditulis di lembar kerja masing-masing kalau sudah menemukan. Okay?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Dad, could you please turn off the television?
What happened?
I am sleepy. I want to sleep.
Wait for a minute. The news will be done soon.
All right, Dad. What move that they are discussing?
It is about coronavirus. What is your view on the increased coronavirus cases in our country?
I strongly believe that doctors, nurses, and people do their best to prevent increased cases in our country. But in this new normal, sometimes people still do not follow the health protocol of coronavirus.
I totally agree with you. Sometimes people ignore the health protocol when they do their activities outside.
Hopefully, this pandemic will be done soon.
I hope so.
Okay, have you found the expression how to ask and how to give opinion? Sudah menemukan? Pak, siapa yang sudah menemukan? Okay, raise your hand. How to ask opinion or how to give opinion based on the video. Yang sudah menemukan? Okay, raise your hand. Ayo. Ayo, Dimas. Have you found Dimas? Okay, please read the expression that have you found from the video. How to ask and how to give an opinion. Ayo, Dimas.
What is the social function from the video?
Ayo, Agus. Do you have fun? Have you found? Kira-kira yang mana tadi yang ekspresi untuk meminta dan memberikan bantuan dari video tadi? Tidak ada yang bisa menemukan? They are talking about coronavirus. Yeah? And from the video, they are also talking about ask and give opinion. Okay, from the coronavirus. So which one is the impression to ask and to give an opinion? Nah, tadi kan mereka itu ngomong, ada yang ngomong meminta dan memberikan pendapat tentang coronavirus. Dan ekspresi yang mana, kalimat yang mana yang merupakan meminta dan memberikan pendapat? Yang mana? Ayo Agus. Everything that you got. Apa saja yang kalian dapatkan? Kira-kira dari video tadi. Ayo Agus. Loaded please Agus. Coronavirus cases in the country. Coronavirus cases in the country. Nah, yang didapatkan Agus itu. Kira-kira Agus, is it asking or giving opinion? Asking. Nah, jadi pendapatnya Agus tadi, coronavirus in the country itu adalah sebuah asking an opinion. Is there any other opinion? Ada pendapat lain? Is there any other answer? Ada jawaban lain? No? Okay, let's watch the video once more. Okay, I will show you which one is the expression to us and to give an opinion based on the video. Jadi saya akan memberikan pernyataan yang mana yang merupakan meminta dan memberikan pendapat berdasarkan video ini. Which one is the expression to us and to give an opinion? The expression which are used in the conversation are for asking opinion. What is your view on? What is your views on the increased coronavirus in our country? Oke, benar, aku hampir mendekati benar. Aku tadi hanya menyebutkan the cases of coronavirus in our country. Ekspresinya ketinggalan Agus. Jadi ekspresi untuk meminta sebuah pendapat dari video yang kita lihat tadi adalah what is your view on? What is your view on coronavirus in our country? Lah, itu kalimat yang tepat. Apa pendapatmu tentang coronavirus di kota kita? And then for giving an opinion, nah jadi kalimat yang menyatakan sebuah pendapat dalam video itu adalah I strongly believe that. I strongly believe that doctors, nurse, and people did their best to prevent an increase in our country. Kemudian inilah yang kita gunakan, yang bisa kita gunakan saat memberikan dan meminta sebuah pendapat. So, apakah hanya ini saja yang bisa kita gunakan untuk meminta dan memberikan pendapat?
No.
Apakah kita hanya bisa menggunakan what is your view on for asking an opinion and apakah kita hanya bisa menggunakan I strongly believe that to give an opinion? No. So, what are the other expression to ask and to give opinion? Jadi apa ekspresi yang lain yang bagaimana yang bisa kita gunakan ekspresi ini. What is the meaning of what is your view on? Apa artinya what is your view on? Atau apa artinya what do you think of? Oke, yes? Apa artinya? Apa yang kamu pikirkan? Yang mana yang apa yang kamu pikirkan? What view on or what do you think of? What do you think of? Katanya Muyas artinya apa yang kamu pikirkan? Ada pendapat lain? Terus kira-kira apa? What is your view on? Apa artinya? Apa? Alif? Afif? What is the meaning? Didi, Linda, what is the meaning of what is your view on? What do you think of? What do you think about? Apa artinya kira-kira?
Apakah kamu melihat?
Apakah kamu melihat? Apa yang kamu lihat? Apa yang kamu dengar? Oke, is there any other opinion? Jadi, dari semua ekspresi ini, kita bisa mengartikannya apa pendapat kamu. Jangan diartikan satu kata. Jangan diartikan kata per kata. What is your view on? It's same with what is your opinion. Nah, artinya generic structure dari asking for and giving opinion. Tadi yang kalian temukan di dalam dialog apa saja? Ada orang yang ngapain saja? Bicara. Oke, asking opinion. Agus, asking opinion. Jadi di dalam video tadi ada seseorang yang asking opinion. Kemudian ada apa lagi? Giving opinion. Terus apa lagi? Respon. Ya, good. Agus, give applause for exactly for tomorrow ya. Exactly for tomorrow. What is our activity? Okay. For tomorrow, our activity for tomorrow is we will learn about how to respond an opinion. Nah, bagaimana cara untuk merespon atau menanggapi sebuah pendapat. And also, we will learn about how to find an explicit and implicit information from the dialog. Kita akan belajar menemukan informasi tersurat dan tersurat dalam video. And then the last activity is kalian harus bisa menemukan sebuah informasi atau menjawab beberapa pertanyaan nanti dari berdasarkan video secara individu. Ya, by online, by Google Form. So please, so please for tomorrow, please bring your handphone. Yes. Ya, tolong besok bawa HP karena besok ada penilaian individu. Kalian menjawab beberapa pertanyaan nanti lewat Google Form. So please tomorrow, please bring your handphone.
Yes.
Yes.